So friends, there is one question from retirement in front of us. A, B, C, they are the partners in the ratio 2 to 1. B has retired from the firm and the balance of his capital account, including all of the adjustments in relation to the revaluation account, accumulated profits, or any of the fictitious asset, was rupees 2 lakh. But A and C has decided to pay him a sum of rupees 2 lakh 60,000 in full settlement. His claim came up to be rupees 2 lakh, but what he is getting from the firm is rupees 2 lakh 60,000. 60,000 rupees he is getting in excess from his share in the partnership firm. This excess share represents B's share of goodwill because it was not mentioned in the question that how much was his share of goodwill on the retirement. But the question is asking us to calculate B's share of goodwill journal. We have to prepare journal and also the firm's share of goodwill and the final payment journal. So here what is the question is about? Question is about the calculation of goodwill of the firm. Firstly, the hidden share of B's goodwill is rupees 60,000, which he is getting from the firm as a share. B's share in the firm was 2 by 5. 2 to 1 is the ratio that his share in the firm was 2 by 5, for which he was getting a share of goodwill rupees 60,000. So firm's goodwill into 2 by 5 would be 60,000. When we reciprocate it, so it will become 60,000 into 5 by 2. So firm's goodwill here is that is of rupees 1 lakh and 50,000. Okay. Now, he is also asking me to pass the journal for B's share of goodwill and final payment to him. First of all, bachche, to make B's share of goodwill journal, we need that by what amount A and C are gaining on the retirement of B. In this case, their gain is to be calculated, but for the calculation of the gain, we need new ratio also. In the question, we are not provided with the new ratio, so their old ratio will become gaining ratio. How to take their old ratio for calculation of gaining is the retiring partner is crossed. Whatever is left, that becomes the gaining ratio of A and C. So here gaining ratio of A and C is 2 is to 1. B's share of goodwill was rupees 60,000. So B is sacrificing, as you know, in the first book for the adjustment entry we pass gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. So B is sacrificing, so B's capital account need to be credited with rupees 60,000, whereas A and C are gaining at the retirement of B. So A and C's capital account would be debited. By what value? The total value here was 60,000. Their gaining ratio was 2 is to 1. So 60,000 divided by this total 3, we get a value of rupees 20,000. So C's share of capital would be goodwill would be 20,000 and A's share of goodwill would be 40,000, for which they are gaining and they have to compensate B. Now question was about to final payment which was also to be made to B. So B's capital account debit to bank. Here B is the receiver and we are making him payment of a total sum of rupees 2,60,000 here. So 2,60,000 payment is made to him. The next question over here is about revaluation adjustment. Bills receivable of rupees 9,750 was retired at a rebate of rupees 250 at the retirement of a partner. It could be any of the adjustment which we need to do at any of change in profit sharing ratio, admission, retirement or death. Point over here is bills receivable was of rupees 9,750, against which we received a sum after a rebate of 250. That means how much sum we received, that is rupees 9,500. So bank account is debited in the partnership firm for rupees 9,500. There was a rebate. Rebate is a loss to the firm. When it is a loss to the firm, losses are to be debited. Here the loss would be debited at the time of retirement, that is revaluation account. Even if it is admission or change in profit sharing ratio or death, which account needs to be debited? Revaluation account. Against what is going out or what is cancelled over here or what is reducing, you can actually say your asset is reducing, so which account needs to be credited here? That is bills receivable account is credited with rupees 9750, out of which we received 9500, rest was our loss at the revaluation account was debited for the same. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.